As you reflect on your accomplishments, is there anything you regret or feel that you've missed out on because of your career?
Well, I'm sure there are. To say that I think I've had a perfect career would mean I've never made a mistake or always made exactly the right decisions, and that certainly hasn't been the case. I've been very fortunate to be at the right place and the right time to take advantage of some of the opportunities that were there, and I just feel very thankful I've been able to do that.
When facing extreme challenges, when you reached the point of giving up, who or what did you call upon for the strength to continue?
Well, I never reached the point of giving up, I guess. I look at things like that. If you prepare yourself well, whatever it is, and that's I was in the Marine Corps as a fighter pilot for 23 years, and I was in 2 wars, in World War II and Korean War. And there you practice and you practice and you practice, and you learn everything you possibly can learn about your airplane and your equipment and the tactics and the techniques. And that's the same thing you do when if you're going to be a doctor or a banker or a farmer or whatever you're going to be. I think the best way to prevent yourself from being fearful and the best way to prevent yourself from panicking or from even thinking about giving up is the preparation you do ahead of time. And I know everybody comes to you in school and they says do good and study hard and all that and tries to encourage you that way, but it's true. The more you know and the more you're better prepared for life, the better off you're going to be and the less you're likely to panic and the more likely you are to take advantage of the good opportunities that come along. And it's that simple. There's no magic formula except that. That's it. And I think when things happen in combat and you're being shot at, well, do you panic? Well, no. You know what you have to do, or you know what you've trained to avoid some of the things where there is danger. You do the same thing in things like the space program. Now, these are extreme examples because the likelihood of panic in people's lives is much more likely to occur in just daily life routines, where they don't have enough money to do something, or they have an illness that bothers them and is a problem. And there are some things like that, of course, like an illness that we can't really prepare for. But at least at that time, rather than panicking, you go and you get the best help you can get, the best possible help you can possibly find. And study everything you can about what the problem is yourself. That's the best advice I can give.